Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Q&A slash mukbang, and I'm going to be eating the samyang cheese noodles with some rice cakes. And I've never tried this before, so I'm kind of excited to try it out. So yeah, you guys asked me some questions and I'm going to answer them. Go ahead, get some food, get some drinks, we can eat together. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna use this as my plate so I won't drop. This is it, y'all. This looks so good. This is bomb. I'm gonna try some rice cakes. Time for the questions. My first question is, what's your favorite movie? My favorite movie, I don't know if you guys have seen this movie, but maybe you have. It's called Holes, and I think they only play it on Disney Channel. That's my favorite movie. Do you see yourself getting married in the future? No. No, not at all. I don't see myself getting married at all, like ever. Y'all, I don't know how to make ramen noodles, as you can tell. I have them written down here. Anyways, the next question is, do you love yourself? Duh, I'm just kidding now. No, obviously I do love myself. I feel like we all love ourselves. Like, there's no way you can't love yourself. It's just something that is, you know? You have to love yourself, period. Anyways, next question. What's your favorite memory in 2019? My favorite memory would be when I went to Lake Tahoe. I forgot when it was. I forgot when we went with my family. I went with my family to Lake Tahoe, and it was not during the snow. It was when everything was melted, so the lakes were like clear, they were cold. Oh my god, it was so amazing. Like, that's my favorite memory. We went on canoes. I think they were canoes or kayak, one of those. We went on one of those. I went on it, and like I was looking at the lake, and it looks so cute. Like, that's my favorite memory. The next question would be, is it rude if someone asks for your business vendor? As some of you guys know, I sell lashes. I'm wearing them right now. This is in the style Take Your Mans. I feel like it is rude only because it took me months to find the right person or the right vendor. I'm telling you, this is spicy. I need a drink. I was about to read it, but I don't know how to read. But this is my drink. Wow. Yes. That's bomb. Okay. It's hot. Okay. If your friend invited you to a concert slash rave, would you go? I feel like it depends who I'm going with, like who invites me to go to a concert or rave. And it depends on who's doing the whose concert it is. I've never been to a rave, so maybe that would be cool. I feel like maybe, yeah, I would go to a rave so I can try it out, you know? Anyways, yeah. see. I'm already full. That's a big old bite. I can't do that. Okay. Next question. How do you get so amazing? I mean, I don't know. How do I? I'm just kidding now. Honestly, I don't think I'm amazing. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't. I just feel like being yourself makes you amazing. You know, like, why would you be someone that you're not? Period. It's hot. Next. What's your initial inspiration behind your lash brand? I feel like one day I really wanted to know how to put on eyelashes, so I started buying some, and they were really expensive. Like the Lash Bar LA, like they, including shipping, one pair of lashes cost like $28. Excuse me. And it's kind of like, why are you gonna charge that much for lashes? Like, I want to buy from that lash vendor and sell lashes that are cheaper and better quality. Like these lashes are good quality, and if you want to buy some, link down below. But yeah, that was my inspiration. Anyway, have you ever had a ghost experience? Ooh, this is a good one. I have a story for you. Just kidding. I've never had a ghost experience. Do I want to experience a ghost in my house while I'm alone? While I'm taking a shower? While I'm pooping? No! No, ma'am. Heck to the no. I'm not trying to. No. I already get scared when I hear noises that like happen around the house. Imagine if I actually see a ghost. No. No, gracias. Mejor que no. Que se vaya. Next question. After this bite. Okay. What do you hope to accomplish this year? Also, love you. I love you too. I really hope to get good grades. Like, I've always said that. Like, I'm in college right now. I'm trying to graduate. So getting good grades, that's what I want. Like, for reals, for reals. Something else that I want to accomplish is learning how to cope with my insecurity. Just getting over that insecurity is what I want. Like, you know? And also working out, which is part of my insecurity. And going out more, because I barely go out. Another question would be, what's your favorite thing about yourself? I feel like I don't have a lot of favorite things about myself. My hair, maybe. That's all I can think about. Maybe, like, yeah, that's it. Favorite thing about myself. Okay. I'm gonna take another bite because someone's gonna finish this, right? This thing no se quiere salir, no se quiere dejar. Déjame. Déjame. Next question. How did you start your lash collection, and how successful is it at the moment? Much love. Okay, so how did I start my lash collection? First of all, obviously you have to have money. I was working, so it was really easy for me to get the money. Hitting up vendors which took a lot of research. So hitting up the vendors, trying out the lashes, which is like, it takes time, but I got lucky because I found really nice lashes. How successful is it at the moment? I've gotten some sales. Is it as much sales as I as I would want? No, but I'm starting, you know, like it's going somewhere. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my lashes, make sure to click the link down below. Make sure to click it, okay? Get some lashes. I will love you forever. Okay. Anyways, much love to you too. I got these Japanese style taro mochi. This is not my first time trying them out. I also ate one yesterday. Don't blame me. They're really good. They're really good. Look at this. It smells like cornbread. I think it's because it has cornstarch. I think. Next question. What's your favorite high school memory? I'm sorry, I don't think I have a favorite high school memory. I feel like high school was horrible. I want another one. Last question. What made you want to start your YouTube? And what's your height? My height is 5'4", I think. Yeah, I'm 5'4". Before y'all start telling me that I'm short, I know. What made you want to start YouTube? YouTube started becoming a thing. I would watch like YouTube videos. I still watch YouTube videos, and I feel like I'm interacting with the person and I'm getting to know them. So yeah, that's what made me want to start YouTube. I think I'm done for today. If you lasted this long, preach to you. Like, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, and if you didn't like this video, still make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace out. I'm out. Peace out.